Hi all, very good morning. This is Bindu here from Bindu's Fashions. Welcome back. Today we are going to do a special video sale, and this videos are particularly recording for a discount sale. So today whatever the sarees I am showing off, those are all on discount sale. It's a 15% of discount sale. So 15% discount sale, it is not like adding much and again reducing it. And overall the sarees also you will get a very reasonable prices. So these are all the sarees from Benaras and Rajkot Kota cottons. So Benaras sarees will be there with the cotton Benaras sarees, and Dupiana Kora sarees, organza sarees with the Benaras borders, Kota organza sarees, Kota Benaras sarees, and Rajkot Kota sarees. So different sarees. All these sarees are I'll be having either one piece or two pieces of designs, or maximum of four. So not more than that. So special discount, so on MRP, so the MRP price also I will tell you it, you can compare the prices. So prices you will get a better price comparatively. So flat 15% discount. So what will be the cost after discount, before, and what is the MRP cost, I will let you know that. First video I'm going to do it Benaras with the Benaras cottons. Benaras cottons in the sense it's not like a normal cottons, like a shining. So when you say that from cotton from Benaras, so it won't be like a normal Venkatagiri cotton, or that will have a little shiny only, so where you can carry for the occasions also. And so the saree what I wore also today, this kind of sarees also I have another 3 pieces. Those pieces also I will show it off. And there are Kota Benaras sarees. So Kota Benaras sarees also, Rajkot Kota with Benaras borders will be there, zari borders. And there is a Benaras from Benaras also, there will be a Kota sarees will be there with the Benaras borders. So like that, different. So there is a Chanderi different material, along with the patches, the patchwork has been done over to it. So those also alone, like this is completely a different, not a mix and match and all. So completely a saree set, along with the blouses you will be finding it. So I'll just start up the video now with the first Benaras cotton sarees. Benaras cotton, there is a peacock motif. This is a peacock motif, like it's an antique gold combination, so the color is also a green combination color. So here is a pallu. The pallu is also little heavy, and the blouse, most of the Benaras sarees will have running blouses with the borders. So this is the blouse material with the border. This is saree number 1. So Benaras, so they will say it is a Benaras cotton, but we can say that this Benaras silk. Silk in the sense not like a pattu. Pattu is completely different. This is Benaras cottons.
630 saree.
The saree cost is 630 rupees.
After discount 1386.
After discount, so 15% discount will be there. 1386 is the cost. Please do take a screenshots while running a video. So please do take a screenshots for any orders. Message on along with a screenshot 9989316013. And most of the Benaras sarees will have a lengthy also. Even height wise it will be enough good. $1630 is the saree cost.
After discount 1386.
1386 is the cost of after discount. So 15% flat discount will be there. So this is mixed green color. Whenever the color is getting changed in the camera, I'll just let you know, but the color it is perfectly same color in the video. 1680 after discounts 1386. Please do take a screenshots. It's a different methi yellow with an antique border. So different metik yellow with antique border, and here is the pallu. This is the pallu, and there will be a running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So both the side it's a different same border. Both the side it's the same border. The color is also appearing in the same way how it is looking in the video. So this is the perfect color. 1630 is the saree cost.
1386.
1386. After discount you will be getting it 1386. Please do take a screenshots. Here is the pallu and the blouse will be a plain. So Benares cotton. So there even this is also antique look finish, Benares cotton saree with a veena and tabla design with heavy. Don't miss this sale. The sale is perfectly a discount sale. Very nice prices, and the quality wise you can come and check in the store. So here is a pallu. For a small occasions you can use it. So this way how it looks. A nice purple color, very pretty. So here is the pallu, heavy pallu, and the blouse will be a plain running only along with the border.
1630 saree.
1630 is the saree cost.
1386.
1386 after discount. 1386 after discount. 1630 is the saree cost. After discount it is 1386. Please do take a screenshot. This is another Benares cotton. So there's a different borders. So this border is small border and this is the big border on other end. So here it is a pallu. This is the pallu. And the blouse is this. So blouse is also having a big border and the small border as well. And the design of same, the whatever it is there and saree, it is the same way.
1650 saree.
So nice pink color. It's peach pink. It's peach pink. It's a peach pink. 1650 is the saree cost. 1400 after discount. 1650 is the saree cost. 1400 after discount. Please do take a screenshots. Here is the pallu and the blouse. 1650 is the saree cost and 1400 after discount. So this is another Benares cotton with an antique border all over zari butta design. This is the pallu. Here is the pallu. So the second border is also, so there will be a two borders. Please do take a screenshot out of it. So if you want to place an order, please do take a screenshot and send a message on WhatsApp number 9989316013 along with the screenshot of the saree. So the cost is 1780. After discount you will be getting it 1510. After discount you will be getting it 1510. So nice peach pink. So the borders are literally looking very heavy. A nice finish. So quality wise you need not to compromise for the quality. So quality is ekdam first class Benarasi things. So these are all not imitation ones. So this is Benares cotton sarees. Here another cream golden color with green border. So on the down part there is a big border. So the pallu is here is the pallu. This is the pallu, and the plain blouse will be there with a different combination of the borders. Cream color saree with the Benares cotton, antique gold booties and the golden borders. 1985 is the saree cost. After discount you will be getting it for 1688. Please do take a screenshot. 1985 is the saree cost and 1688 is the after discount you will be getting it for 1688. So there is the same one more piece in the same design with pista green color combination. Pista green with the same color border with a pink outline. So this is the second border. So 1985 is the saree cost and you will be getting it for 1680. Pista color. This is the pallu and plain blouse. Plain blouse with a Benares border. So please do take a screenshots to place an order. 1985 is the saree cost. 1985. So 1688 after discount you will be getting it for 1688. Benares cottons. So these are all Benares cottons only. So same piece, same design. One more piece with a baby pink combination. So whenever the colors are getting changed in the video, I'll be mentioning it particularly. So there is no color change in this. So if there is anything color changes, I'll be letting you know. Pretty baby pink combination with a dark pink and green border. So the pallu will be the same for each and every saree, and the blouse is plain pink along with the contrasting border and Benares border. 1985 is the saree cost. 1688 after discount you will be getting it. Please do take a screenshot to place an order. Benares cotton sarees. Pretty yellow Benares cottons. So there will be a same border on both the sides with a pink outline. With a pink outline there will be a same border. And the pallu, this is the pallu. Self design heavy pallu. Self golden design with a heavy pallu, and the blouse would be a plain yellow. So fabric, it is very pretty. Benares cotton sarees. So 222 is the cost. 3220 is the cost. 2220 rupees. 1887 rupees after discount. 1887, it's after discount. Please do take a screenshots. If you would like to place an order, please do take a screenshots. Nice karbuza color with a golden border. Nice karbuza color with a golden border. And here is the pallu. So there will be a plain blouse only. This is the pallu with pinkish and green leaf motifs. And the second border is also small. Here is the pallu. Please do take a Nice karbuza color, a rare color. It is little darker like so. This is the shade what you will be getting it. So cost is 2220, 1887. After discount you will be getting it. Same design with a goldenish cream, with golden cream, with a golden border, with a pink motifs. This is how it looks. So you can take even a contrasting blouse of pink color with a Benaras also. So the pallu is with golden heavy one. So 222 is the saree cost. So there is only small difference in the booties. Here is the pallu and the plain blouse will be there along with the border. Here is the border for the blouse. You can take even a contrasting blouse of pink Benaras as well. It looks pretty. So please do take a screenshots if you would like to place an order. So 3220, 2220 is the saree cost. After discount you will be getting it 1887. So different design again in the Benaras cotton, a small green line with antique gold round balls. So this is the second border at the down. 2270 is the saree cost. This is the pallu and there will be a plain running blouse. This is the blouse. 2270 rupees is the cost. 1930 after discount. Pretty reddish orange. Pretty reddish orange. So throughout saree the buttas will be like this. Pretty color combination, green with orangish red color. Here is the pallu. 2270 rupees is the cost. After discount you will be getting it for 1930. So there you can see a self border also red along with the green line and the other end green border with a red line. 2270 rupees, 1930 after discount. So please do take a screenshots. So another color in the same design, dark green color. It's little shiny green, but in the videos it is looking a little dull. Very slight difference. Only the shining is not getting appear. So green color saree with a combination of red border and green border. So the pallu is this. The pallu for both the sarees it is same. And there will be a running blouse. 2270 rupees. And 1930 is the saree cost. Please do take a screenshots to place an order. A different detergent blue. It's not detergent blue, it's not a royal blue, it's a different Banarasi blue. And here is the pallu. This is the pallu design. Antique zari design. The saree cost out of it is 2290 rupees. 2290 rupees. 1947 is after discount you will be getting it for 1947. So there will be a running blouse with a zari border. So blue color, it is same appearing in the video. So pallu will have a heavy design of motifs antique motif. The motif is having a mango design with the kalsam. ₹2,290 after discount. You will be getting it for 1947. A little heavy Banarasi cotton with the zari borders. Obviously you will not get these prices. Please grab it as soon as possible. So here is a second border. This is the second border. Here is a pallu. This is the pallu, and there will be a plain blouse only. So the saree cost is 2,820 rupees. 2,820 rupees. So after discount you will be getting it for 2,150 rupees. Sorry, 2,397. ₹2,820 is the actual price. So make it a 15% of discount, 2,397. If the prices are getting different also, just make a 15% of discount. I just approximately we did. So please do take a screenshots. If you would like to place an order, please do take a screenshots out of it and send a message on 9989316013. So this is video number 1. So please take a screenshots. These are all Benares cottons, are rich in look and rich in quality also. So if you would like to place an order, you can place it and start following in Facebook to get more updates. And we started doing it even in the Instagram, not the post, like only the designed frocks and all. So we started. So if you wish to follow on a Facebook or Instagram, please message on 9989316013. So for any orders, please take along with the screenshots. You can message on 9989316013, same mobile number which will be described even in the video. So we are done with the video number 1. Bindu here signing off.